Hello children, welcome to today's music class. In today's class, our topic is how to draw note B. Our topic is how to draw note B. Note B is written on the third line of the treble clef. Note B is written on the third line of the treble clef. Don't forget, you first of all draw your treble clef. Then you can now draw the note on the third line of the treble clef. Make sure the note is properly written on the third line, not too big or too small. So that is how to draw note B on your treble clef. So children, that is all for today. Hope you enjoyed the class. See you in the next class. Please subscribe to this channel, like and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.